Today, we're diving into the world of mockup generator applications for Android. We'll explore how these powerful tools can help you create stunning mockups that bring your concepts to life, even if you're not a graphic design expert. A mockup generator application for Android is a tool that allows users to create visual representations of their designs or products in a realistic manner. These applications typically provide a range of customizable templates and features that enable users to showcase their ideas effectively. Users can upload their graphics, choose from various device frames, and adjust settings such as background, color, and lighting to create appealing mockups. This is particularly useful for designers, marketers, and entrepreneurs who want to present their products or concepts in a professional format without the need for extensive graphic design skills. Moreover, many of these applications offer user-friendly interfaces and easy sharing options, allowing users to export their creations for use in presentations, social media, or online portfolios. Thanks for joining us in this exploration of mockup generator applications for Android, and we'll see you in the next video.